how to make money just working 5 minutes a day. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. So watch this video till the end so you can understand how you can make money just by working for 5 minutes a day. And this is going to be really interesting. You can earn up to $2,000 a month doing this simple method, and this is going to be really interesting. So watch this video till the end. And now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is very important and you are very eager to earn money online. So now let's jump into the content. First of all, we will go to Google and we will be typing here, which is known as QR code generator. Okay, the first thing is that you have to go to Google and type in QR code generator. Okay, now we will be using one of the website from this and we are going to generate QR codes. Now you may be thinking that how we are going to make money generating QR. I have got you covered in this video. So I'll be telling this all this stuff, everything will be detailed in this course. I will be telling you how you can make money using this website, and this is going to be really interesting. So watch this video till the end. In the end of the video, I'll be showing you where you can sell this stuff. Okay, where you can sell this QR codes and make money out of it. Okay, so now let's go. So the first thing you have to do is just go to this website, which is known as QR code monkey. Okay, and just paste. So I'm placing one of the link. Okay, so you don't need to sign up for this website. All you need to do is just go to this website. Okay, after that, what we are going to do, we are going to create a QR code based on this URL, which is bit.ly.com. I want to create a QR code of this URL bit.ly.com. Okay, now what you can do is you can also set colors over here. So now let's like some of the colors which we would like for this. Okay, you can do anything. Okay, you can do all this type of stuff. You can select color particulars for it and just go for it. Okay, color gradient, you can also select color gradient. So let's go for this blue one. Okay, and okay, and custom eye color, then you can also select that one for here. Anything, just select as per your choice and you are ready to go. Okay, now what you can do is this, you can also add a logo image. Whatever your client asks you for, whatever logo he gives you or he provides you, you can embed it. Okay, for example, now for this we are going for this YouTube logo. It's okay just for this video, for the sake of this video. Okay, so for the just and now just any custom design you can select whichever you want. Okay, so we are going for this second one. Okay, it looks really unique. Now all you did, you just entered the URL, you just set colors, you just added logo, you just made selected a custom design, and now what you have to do is just click on create QR code, and you can see that the QR code is already created for you. Now you can just download this QR code and give it to your client or whoever. Okay, now how you are going to sell this service of creating QR codes. Okay, and another thing about this website is that you can create QR codes about URLs, text, emails, phones, SMS, V cards, me cards, location, Facebook, etc. As many things as possible. You can create QR codes for all these things. It is also available as in Chrome, in the Chrome web store, so you can also download it as an extension on your Chrome browser. So this is really interesting. You can create this type of custom what can we say, that QR codes, and really very easily. Just it takes 1 to 2 minutes to create a QR code for anything which your client demands. Okay, now where you are going to sell this skill of yours, which is creating QR codes. Now just go to this website. First let's go to Google and let's type in Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr. So Fiverr.com is a freelance website where you can provide this type of freelancing services. Okay, now you can just go for here QR code. Okay, QR code generator. And you can see this, all these people are selling this service over here on this website, which is known as Fiverr.com. All you need to do is just go to this website, just click on become a seller, and then sign up for this website, which is known as Fiverr.com, and you can sell this service of creating QR codes. Okay, it may take some time to get your first order, but definitely you can make really good money just providing this simple services. People are charging $10 to $20 just for providing simple services just like generating QR code. Okay, so you can also do this stuff and really easily make some money. Now the another website on which you can sell this stuff, Let's go to Google and I will show you the website. The another website where you can just sell this stuff is called People. And stick in this video till the end, because one of the best website which I'm gonna show is in the end. Okay, so this is another website where you can just sell similar type of your skill. Okay, QR code, and just find an expert. Just click it here and you can see that many of the people are providing these services. Even they are selling it for, see, this person is selling this for $10. This is selling for $10. Okay, he is selling for 10. So many of you can charge it. You can sell this for $15. It's okay, it's fine. You can sell it for whatever price you want, but you can definitely sell it and really start making some really good money out of the simple things. Okay, it's really awesome and you can start making money. Just create a gig on Fiverr, then create a great gig on People Per Hour. Now I'm gonna show you one of the website which is relatively new freelance website, and it is really good, where you can really make this awesome money. Okay, so now let's type in funnel. So I have mentioned this website many of the times in this video, and one thing which is really interesting about this website is what I'm going to show you in this video. So what this video, okay, now the secret thing, the bonus thing is up in this video, and you can see this is a website. This is the Funnel Rolodex freelance marketplace, and when you search for QR services, when you search for these services, there is no listing. So means people have not started providing this service on this Funnel Rolodex platform, and you can really be the first one to provide this service on this platform. And you know that if you are in the first in the first place, first gig on the Fiverr, you get the maximum of offers. If you are in the first gig, as this guy on Funnel Rolodex gets the maximum orders, and in Funnel Rolodex you have this opportunity to become the first service provider who will rank first on this Funnel Rolodex platform and provide this service. So you can definitely make really big chunk of money doing this simple stuff. Okay, it just takes you 5 minutes of work to create a QR code for whatever your client demands for, and this is really simple. This is really easy. People are paying loads of money for this, and you can make really big amount of money doing this. You can definitely earn up to $1,000 to $2,000 per month doing this particular simple method, and this is really something which you can do. Anyone can do. Almost, even if you are from any country in the world, you can do this stuff. All you need to do is just sign up as a seller on Fiverr, People Per Hour, as well as Funnel Rolodex. I just suggest you that you should create a gig on all these 3 platforms and do not leave any of the platform. Okay, and what you can do is that, and if you are really interested in making money online, doing affiliate marketing and online business, then I highly recommend you to watch out other videos on my channel, because they will provide you a ton of value about how to make money online, do affiliate marketing as well as online business. So this is something which I cover in this channel and make videos about in this channel, so you can get information about all this stuff. And I post new videos almost every single day, so you can just subscribe to my channel and watch out all this amazing content. And in 2020 is going to be really interesting. I'm gonna post ton of new content over here, so just stay tuned, stay excited, and stay subscribed. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.